have just a moment of light relief, courtesy of one of the most powerful women in the world whose oratory skills are second to none. Take it away, Kamala Harris.
Well, which is it, young feller?
Over these last 18 months, Democrats have delivered. Let me rephrase that. Over these last 18 months, Democrats have delivered big time.
Don't laugh. That was the highlight. That was the high point of the speech. And boy, haven't the Democrats delivered big time.
That actually was pretty funny.
Biggest gas prices, big inflation, more than 2 million illegal immigrants crossing the southern border. That's big. And don't forget the dramatic increase
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
in violent crime in Democrat-run cities. No wonder Kamala is proud.
I actually broke John Adams' record of casting the most tie-breaking votes in a single term. How about that? How about that?
How about that? Yes. When she's not laughing weirdly, Kamala is delivering speeches that sound a lot like a child doing a school presentation on an assignment where they've clearly done...
You serious?